guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video here, I'm going to explain you a little bit more about the display property. So let me just put this right screen here in full screen and go to inspect and show you the console log here. Let me just click in this guy. This is the body, and I want to show a property here called display. Inside of body, you can see that I have the display block. And I have also a margin here, but let's just pay attention to this display block here. And what does this guy mean? Let me go back to my code. I'll go back to my code and I will create something like this. Let me remove all this style, save, and here in my code I will put a tag main section and a div. And I will put the age1 tag here with a p tag. There's a paragraph. All right, you can see that I have um the h1 up in the top part and the paragraph in the bottom part. All right, paragraph is behind, it is above the h1. And when it comes to display is a way that css shows things in the page. Primarily we have the display block that I've showed you before here inside of body or either side of main. Primarily, all of these tags here starts with the display block. The display block means this guy here that it is blocked. You cannot change the position of these guys here. I cannot pick this one, this name or this paragraph or all this block of thing here and put in the left side or put in the bottom side or in the center. I cannot do that. They are blocked to change um, the place that they are inside of the screen, right? Sometimes this is important to keep everything blocked so the browser will not change the position of it if the screen is a little bit smaller or if the screen is bigger. But sometimes you want to display the things in the flex way. This is what we call in CSS display flex. Why is the flex? The flex is from flexible, so the position can change. I can put this text in the left side, this other text in the right side as an example, right? So let me show you a quick example here of the display flag so you can see how this thing works. Primarily, both of these guys here, as you can see, let me just open here. I have the main, let me open everything and give it a zoom. I have the body, that is display block. I have the main, that is display block. And I have the section, that is also display block, right? This is my structure, main, section, body, main, section. Everything here is display blocks. And if I open this section, the div by default is also display block. So everything is blocked. I cannot change the position. But if I go inside of div, let me say that I want to style only the div. Why I want to style the div? Because inside of div, I've had the h1 and the p. And I want to put the h1 on the left side and the p in the right side. I want to style on the div. And I will change what is wrong here. Sorry. I want to change the display to display flex. Oh, things started to change, right? I have the word in the left side and the H1 on the left side, the paragraph in the right side. So now it is flexible. I can change the position. I can align them if I want to. I can change everything now. They are not blocked. If I put block, if I put flex, all right, things start to change. So this is the difference between some types of displays that we're normally using in CSS. That is display block and display flex blocks if we want everything inside of a block that would not change the position, and display flex if we want things flexible. And in the next video, I will show you other properties related to flex that we can change more about the positions of everything here inside the screen, right? So I see you in the next video.